Hello team, it's me, Fermin again. Today I'll be sharing with you, explaining with you the fourth ways to earn on a CSL compensation plan. No? We call this global bonus pool. So this one paid every month, no, monthly payout. Global leaders can earn shares of a worldwide company volume. So 5% of a new worldwide company volume, CSL taking 5% of business volume going through the fast start bonus. No, this one being paid to qualified 1-star master and above. So I'm going to explain this very slow, no, so that we can get the idea how this global bonus pool being computed. No, so all distributors, or to become a distributors, you need to purchase a minimum of 300 business volume for you to become a platinum. For you to become a gold, 150, a silver, 100, and to become a bronze, a 50 personal point value or business volume. So 1 PV sometimes it's equals to 1 business volume as well. No, so all these transactions coming from new, no, coming from fast start bonus, no, is being computed, and CSL is keeping aside 5% out of this volume. So let's say, since we are distributing this globally, no, in many countries, let's say every month, no, let's say this month CSL was able to generate, let's say, a 10 million business volume. So 5% of this volume coming from new fast start bonus, no, yung new transactions, 5% of this is equal to 500,000 US dollar. So this is now the total global bonus pool that will be shared by those qualified from 1-star and above. So 5% of 10 million is 500,000. So 500,000 now will be divided among the qualified shares. So the number of shares, no? So if you are 1-star this month you are qualified to earn 1 share. Let's say if you are now, let's say the following month you become now 2-star with the same numbers, with the same figures generated by the CSL company, then you can earn 2 shares. And it follows, no? If you become 3-star this month, your share is 3 this month, no? Up to 10 shares. Now, let's say this month you qualified to earn 5 shares. So how do you become 5-star? It's simple. All you have to do is to generate 150,000 group volume under your organization for you to for you to reach the level of 5-star on the current month. So let's say the qualifying shares is around 1,000, no? So 5,000 divide 1,000 number of shares. So it's gonna be like, per share you'll be getting at $500 per share this month. So if you qualify with 5 shares, so you'll be getting times 5. So this will be a total of $2,500 on this month. So that's how global bonus pool being computed. Next, I'm going to explain to you the fifth way to earn. But before that, I will be proceeding to another global pool. This time, it's the 1% now. So the global pool from the fast start is being shared by from 1 star and above, but this time from 3 star and above. So the company now is keeping aside 1% of the worldwide company volume. So when you say worldwide company volume, this is not new. These are the volume generated coming from the registration and the reorders. No? So to those who qualified. So it's the same thing. It follows 1 million divided number of shares. So that's how this pool being computed as well. So next, I'm going to explain to you the last way to earn.